Hi guys! Good afternoon. So maghimot ta og merienda ni Happy. Kani kay iwas junk food sa ta. Watermelon. Gamay kay watermelon. Dala niya ni. So okay na ihang merienda mo ng cheese, watermelon and banana. Wow! Yay! Banana! Very good. Here, come, stand up, stand up. Come here. Stand up. Kaya kami glabon nun. Magpa-laundry pa. Sige, sit down, sit down. What will you say? Thank you, Mamay. Cheese. Very good. Eat. Tanawa sa si Happy guys ha, kay magmerienda pa siya and then malimpis ako. Eat na. Thank you guys sa pag-watch. Okay, Happy. You like that? Yum? Yum? Banay-nay. Banay-nay. Eat. Cheese. Ayan, kigabon nun guys. Nahulat pa si Yani kaya nagboto pa siya. After, mangulinig ba na sila kay, it's time for me to vote na and ipalaba. Ipalaundry ana. 20 kilos. Grabe.